Hey dolls, it's Bridgette here with another holiday look collab. This one is inspired by the recent Victoria's Secret fashion show. Just an easy, chic, simple look that is guaranteed to get you dolled up in 10 minutes or less. So follow along and I'll show you how to get this Victoria's Secret look. First, I'm going to start with concealer. I'm going to use the Hydrolux Smoothing Multitasking Concealer, and I'm in shade Light. This concealer is amazing. It is clinically proven to smooth out your fine lines and wrinkles, does not settle into lines, and it covers up dark circles, which you know that I need because I barely get any sleep. So all I'm going to do is apply 3 dots underneath my eye, and then use our number 2 concealer brush and blend it out with a fluffy side. Then I'm going to take another dot and apply it onto my eyelid to prime my eye to get ready for the eyeshadow that's coming later. And as you can see, my eye looks so much more awake. I look like I actually got some sleep last night compared to the eye without the concealer. The Victoria's Secret angels always look like they have a sun-kissed look. So to get that, I'm going to use the Golden Pearl Face and Body Bronzer and apply it underneath my cheekbones to the high points of my forehead to warm up my face. And I'm going to be using the number 8 contour brush. And next, to bring some color back to my face, I'm going to use the Cheek Stamp, and it is really cool because it is a jumbo sponge and the blush is actually in the lid. So you just bounce it and then apply right to your cheekbones. You can't be a Victoria's Secret angel without some highlight, so to add some highlight to my face, I'm going to use the Liquid H2 Glow in shade Moonlit. All Victoria's Secret angels have the perfect smoky eye, and you can get that with our Pro Eyeshadow Palette 1. Look at all the gorgeous shades in it. And we are going to be using the shade Style Icon, Head Turning, Boho Chic, and Showstopper. And I'm just going to be applying this to the crease of my eye. Next, I'm going to be using the shade Head Turning, and I'm going to use it to the outer corner of my eye to create that smoky look. I'm going to use the flat side of the brush. Next, using the shade Boho Chic, I'm going to take this from the inner corner of my eye up to my brow bone to brighten up that area. Next, to really add that shine, I'm going to use the shade Showstopper, which is so shimmery and so pretty. Using the flat side of the brush, I'm going to pick up the powder, tap some off, and then apply it all over my lid. Now just look at the difference between my eye and the side. Next up, I'm going to be doing a wing, not the Victoria's Secret wings that they wear, an eyeliner wing using our To The Point double-ended eyeliner. One side is to line, and the other side is to define. So we're going to start off making the line to follow along, and then I'm going to go in and define it with the other side. So how do you create the perfect wing? How I do it is I start in the middle of my eye and I actually tug at it. Because if I don't, then it creases right here and it just doesn't look as on point as I want it to. So I close my eye and I just tug. And I start in the middle, right here, with the line side. And I just create the line like that. Then using the same side, I start at the very end of the wing and I bring it back down to my eye. Then using the define side, I fill it in and make it just a little bit more sharp than it already is. To top off the eye, I'm going to be using the Illegal Eyes mascara. This mascara is the first ever to be a dual formula. It's two formulas that are poured into this one component. So when you open it up, you want to twist it so the spoolie gets both formulas on it. And it'll lengthen, curl, and thicken your lashes. Next up, you can't be a Victoria's Secret angel without having amazing lips. So I'm going to be using our new Hydrolux lip liners, and I'm using the shade Fame. And I'm just going to line the outer line of my lips and fill them in with the lip liner so my lipstick stays. Last but certainly not least, I'm going to be using the brand new Hydrolux Honey Stick in shade Adore. All you have to do is open it up and click, and the lipstick comes up. And there you go, here is my Victoria's Secret look done with all Doll 10 products. I hope you guys liked it. Stay tuned for next week for another look lab. Bye!